Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another Sunday flea market haul. Today we got something a little bit different. I went picking with our buddy Robin from Fashionably Twisted. She took me to a pretty good pick. That was awesome of her. Thank you very much, Robin. And we also got a mail call today. So I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well we're going to start off with the mail call first. This came to us by way of Mr. John Fix. If you guys would, please go over and check out Mr. John Fix's channel. Trust me guys, you will not be disappointed. He does a fantastic job on whatever he touches, and he gives you the complete history on there. So if you really want to learn something about a tool, Mr. John Fix is your man. First we got us a little square. This is a Stanley. I can read Stanley on there. I don't have my magnifier today, so I kind of misplaced it. So I'm kind of flying by the seat of my pants on this one, guys. I truly do apologize. And then we got us a Stanley angle finder here. It's quite cool. This thing will clean up nice. Every time I see these, this style with the little key, the key's always broken off the back of it. So this is nice, man. This is really complete. This might make a really good project for a paint job because the chrome's starting to come off it. So we can get that chrome off there. We can paint this thing up any color we want. So that would be cool. That would be real cool. I think I just might have to do that. Nice. Added to my Stanley collection. We got us a cool little Baco wrench here. This is a 8-inch adjustable. And of course it's got the fishtail or the alligator on the end. These things are so nice. I've got one, it's a 8-inch Baco Volvo. So this is the one I didn't have in the 8-inch size. This thing is sweet. Baco number 31, made in Sweden. That's awesome. This thing is sweet. Doesn't need a cleanup at all. This thing's perfect. I like it. Thanks, John. Next, we got us a fantastic little pair of Crowder snips. I want to say these are M18. Again, I don't have my magnifier, so I'm kind of limited here today, guys. I truly do apologize, but these things are super sharp. Wow. These will be a nice asset to the shop. Thanks, man. And last but not least, we got us a little 1/4 inch. This is a snap-on. I can't read the number. Again, I apologize, fellas. Little 1/4 inch ratchet snap on. This thing is sweet, super clean. Again, I don't need to clean this up at all either. This will just go right in my little 1/4 inch set. That's cool. Thanks, brother. Like I said, guys, if you would, please go and check out Mr. John Fix. Trust me, you will not be disappointed at all. He's a legend. Oh, let's see. Next, this is from the pick that I got invited to from our good friend Robin at Fashionably Twisted. Got us a couple of cool tools here and the big surprise reveal at the end. This was $10 here. There's some pretty good stuff in here. I'm quite happy with this. Again, all this is farm fresh, extremely rusty, and it definitely needs a date with the deoxy. Get all that rust off there. First, let's start with the 2 combination wrenches. Both of these are proto. This is a 7/8 combination. Definitely needs a bath. And this is a 11/16 proto. Both of them are professionals, and yeah, I'm quite happy to get these to add to my collection, so stoked about that. This is a adjustable. It's I mean, it's completely locked up. It won't move at all. But this is a Billings and Spencer. Other than it being locked up, this thing is in fantastic shape. The jaws are not all bent up and twisted up, and there's no play at all in them. Well, there wouldn't be because it's locked up, but there's no mushrooming, there's no nothing. So I think these will clean up fantastic. And yeah, I'm pretty stoked to get on that. This is a Flea breaker bar. Can't read the number. I want to say it's 1270 or 1870 or something. 3/8. I just saw it was a Flea, and I wanted to rescue it from the rust. So this I thought would have been a crescent screwdriver. It is not. It's actually a Herbrand. I was quite blown away when I saw Herbrand stamped in there. It's right there inside the rust. It's very hard to see. And that's when I lost my magnifier. I put it down somewhere and now I can't find it. But I think this thing will clean up fantastic, and yeah, I'm pretty stoked. Last but not least, we got as a King Dick style adjustable. I really wish I could read what was on there, but I've never quite seen that style head on anything. I don't know if somebody made that for a specific job or that's how it actually came. When I do the cleanup on this, I'll try and do a bit of research, but to me it looks like half of the name's ground off, so I'm not quite sure. I don't know if that's zooming in enough for you guys or not. If you guys can read that, throw it in the comment section for me. But yeah, I saw it and I was like, wow, I mean, it still operates real nice. Yeah, I just thought it was cool. And it's stamped GB on there. Again, quite awesome. So yeah, thought it was unique and I wanted to save it. Last but not least, I hope you guys enjoy this, because when I saw it, I almost freaked out. I got us a drill press. It's going to be kind of hard to get it all in the camera view here, but I'll show you what it looks like this way. Oop, hit my rack there. It's a mounting drill press, so there's 3 attachment points where you can mount it to a tabletop or whatever. The drill press itself is Goodell and Pratt, and the drill itself is Goodell and Pratt. Let's see if I can get you in there. Yeah, I don't know if that's going to show up or not. Hopefully it does. But yeah, I was stoked. I don't find Goodell and Pratt too often, and to find an entire drill press, unmanipulated, you know, not touched, left in its original condition, I thought that this thing was just a stunner. I did pay $50 for this, but I think it's well worth it. Really well worth it. It's just in fantastic shape. It's covered in rust, yes, but I think this thing will clean up a treat, and I'm quite happy to get at it, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked. And I did a little bit of searching around online. I can find the ones that clamp down to a tabletop, like on the edge of it, but I've never seen them with this like crow's foot here on the bottom. So I don't know what I got here, to be honest with you. If you guys would know, please by all means throw in the comment section. I do know that it's got a patent date of, I believe that says March 31st, 1898. That's for the drill, And up top here, I believe it says the same exact thing. Oh, I can't read it. This one's a lot bigger. This is a lot smaller. But it's definitely Goodell and Pratt. Toolsmiths. Something Mass, USA. And then there's some writing underneath, but it's so tiny. But what do you guys think, man? Is this thing not the coolest thing you've ever seen? I am just blown away. And 50 bucks, I don't think I overpaid, so yeah, I'm pretty jazzed about that. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Don't forget to put in the comment section what you think your favorite find of today was. Me personally, the drill press. I am over the moon that I found this today. This thing is drop dead gorgeous. I love it and I can't wait to get it restored. We do have two people to thank for today's video. One being Mr. John Fix for the awesome mail call. Thanks a lot, Mr. John. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys would, please go over to Mr. John Fix's channel. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. And number two, we wouldn't have had a pick today if it wasn't for Miss Robin from Fashionably Twisted. So thanks a lot, Robin. I truly do appreciate it. Robin also learned the term great googly moogly today. So that was pretty good. Thanks again, guys. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We will see you guys next week with another. Bye.